Welcome to another video. Oh, that's the house that I'm staying in right now. It's a beautiful sunny day. I always use this reflector to protect the car from sunlight and definitely reduces the heat inside. I mean, gets less hot. That's what I mean. Let me put my shoes on and then I'm going to Irving Nature Park and I'll take you guys with me. In my driver's seat, as I was saying, these are suction cups. That's how it sticks to the glass, and it comes off. Long story short, I am in New Brunswick, St. John, the city. It's not the capital. I think the capital is Fredericton, as far as I know. I just got this from Dollarama for like $5 or $4, I forgot. Well, I got a new laptop, so I'm gonna test it out. The editing, I mean. So yeah, I'm shooting videos. Well, let's go. Really got a new wallet, Ridge. It's a, I don't know, like they market it so well that people consider buying it. It's very small from a conventional leather wallet compared to my hand, so I love the portability. Let's see, it's been just a couple days and we'll figure it out in the meantime. Well, major necessity was the portability, otherwise it used to be a big bulk in the pockets. Now it's easy. That's the Atlantic right in front. There's a beach on the left, but I'm not gonna stop here. I'm gonna go straight ahead and do a loop of the park. That's the Atlantic that I was talking about. And you can see the Atlantic right from your car. That's fun. This is a loop. You go this way and then come back around this way. It's a big loop and it's one way. I'm gonna go here and come back from here later, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the boardwalk. There are in fact lots of trails in the park. That's a tiny map of a squirrel trail, the red one indicated. There are lots of trails inside the jungle as well, but not trekking today. I'm gonna go through the road and show you. And that's the boardwalk. Oh, there are actually people here. The last time I was here, there was nobody. It's called a marshland. These are windmills over there. It's a big ass boardwalk which I'm not gonna go to. I'm just gonna show you, that's it. So this is called the marshland. It's all wet there. I guess nobody can walk. And lots of crabs, lots of fishes, breeding I guess, and then helping the biodiversity somehow. Don't know the details, but yep, that's how they preserve biodiversity and stuff. And that's a river flowing through the marshland. While walking around, what I love is my shoes, my 3D printed shoes. These are excellent, very comfortable, best walking shoes I have ever worn. Water bodies are nice, it just keeps you happier. You're in a bad mood, you need to refresh your mood, just come here and sit. I'm gonna take my car and go up the loop. I'm gonna turn my AC off and roll down my windows. It's very quiet and peaceful. On the side, sun beaming down, it's beautiful. There are certain parking spots in between. I think there's one right there. I'll stop in one, but not this one. Yep, that's a parking spot. Well, this is where I'm gonna stop. Water in front, there's a bench. There should be another bench over there. Last time I saw that. Let's go. That's the car, that's the bench, and I'm sitting right here. It's definitely very, very, very windy. Literally it's shaking the foam out of my hand. It was quite windy outside. I'm gonna get sick if I sit there for too long. So I'm just gonna drive. I think I'm at a 50% of the loop. People walk through it like grandmas. I have seen people above 60, 65. They walk through the whole loop. It's about, I'm not sure, maybe 16 kilometers? Or maybe 8, I'm not totally sure. But if I see somewhere, I'm gonna tell you guys. I think Irving, Irving is a last name. They have big businesses in St. John, refinery, paper mill, and I don't know what else because I'm not from here. So there are gas stations named Irving. My landlord works for Irving. I guess majority of St. John somewhat works for Irving, directly or indirectly. And maybe they maintain this park as well, so that's why it is named Irving Nature Park. Another parking space. You wanna see the view? Let's see. At 50%. It says I'm here and enter from over there. Oh well, my information was wrong. The roadways, it is 6.5 kilometers. Yeah, the grey one. The grey line is the road. I don't know what is the yellow one. It's a trail. It's a sea trail that is 3.7. That's why I parked. If I walk down here, these are very nice touches where you can sit and enjoy. If I walk down here, beautiful. Everything is beautifully maintained. I love this wooden stairway to go down. Another bench for you to sit and relax. Beautiful water body, stones, tiny little stony beach. That's about it. There are ships there. They're always there, I guess. I don't know how that works. And I'm not even sure if that's an island. I see some beautiful houses. I see mosquitoes as well, so gotta go. Got back in my car. I'll end this video here. Oh, there's a squirrel right there. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna test out my laptop, how the editing goes. I'm a bit excited for that. Should be super fast because that's one of the best Windows laptops out there. See you later. Bye bye.